Hello, my name's Joe Frei, owner of Frei Remodeling and Construction. Today we're going to answer some questions about home additions. Can Frei Remodeling and Construction help me with my home addition? Generally, the home addition projects that we do are complete projects. So we'll handle the design, the plans, the permits, all the way to completed addition. Typical addition projects that we don't take on are just certain aspects of the work, whether it's just doing the concrete or just doing the framing or just doing the drywall or the finishes on the inside. That's typically a project that we don't take on. One of the reasons our typical projects are complete additions is customer cost and timeline. If we handle the whole project all the way from the design phase all the way to a turnkey project, that saves you money and we complete the project on a shorter timeline. How long does a home addition remodel take? What typically factors in to a 6-month addition project is anything over 1,000 square feet, which includes extra work to get the plumbing in place, to add a bathroom or a kitchen. Factors that can shorten that timeline up is projects under 1,000 square feet, no bathroom, no kitchen, just a typical family room, or maybe we're adding a couple of bedrooms. And on those timelines, that's around 3 months to complete a project like that. How much does a home addition cost? So factors that would push you up to the $456,000 cost on your addition is gonna be any project over 1,000 square feet. We're adding bathroom, we're adding kitchens, and multiple rooms on that. Things that factor in on the lower end, the $176,000 for addition, is just an addition without a kitchen or a bathroom, and we're just adding living space or some bedrooms to your home, and that would be under 1,000 square feet. What can I do to prepare for my home addition? Typical things that we require before we do an addition would be things like an existing tree, maybe an above ground pool, or animals that you have in the backyard. We request that you have those removed beforehand, that way we're ready to go when we start your project. Can I live in my home during my addition? The simple answer is yes. 80% of the home addition is going to be completed before we actually get into your existing home. Once we get 80% of that structure built, we'll be taking out that wall to tie in the new addition into the existing home. This is going to be the most disruptive period in the project. Once we do that, we will mask off and contain that area to minimize the dust in your existing home. So if you have any questions or would like to discuss a possible addition project, please go to our website and click on the Contact Us form where we can schedule a call to see if we're a good fit and answer any questions that you may have.